Alrighty guys, we've got a donkey Stomper repair, 1200V-HG-2x12, so I've been biased. First off, I'm going to go over a couple things. The seal was broken, which that should void the warranty, okay? This amp had a wire come loose in it, so it was, I guess you would say, a warranty. I don't know if it's a shipping or cold solder or whatever, but anyway, I fixed it. I did a couple little things to it. And when you packed it and shipped it, bud, you packed it real tight around the end. You see that little, you got your little rubber rash right there, nothing big. Well, when you pack these up, you gotta wrap them in bubble wrap. Then you're supposed to put like 2 or 3 inches around them, all the way around them, top and bottom. And if you don't have them packed right, even if you take out insurance, you don't pack them right, they won't pay. They've got to be packed. They come inspect the packing before they even take them back for insurance. But this is minor, man. This don't matter. I mean, this ain't gonna hurt a thing. But you got, like I said, you got to pack them a little better. And if you ever have an amp go bad, folks, anybody, I'm gonna give you this notice here, warn you, don't cut the label. Send it back like that, especially if it's a new one, if it's a brand new one. And I understand he had a guy check it out because he didn't want to pay shipping back and all that. You know, it's aggravating to ship stuff back. It is. And it was burning combiners, and the guy couldn't even find it, so, you know, it's just loose wire. But anyway, I did a couple more little things and checked everything real good. Put new combiners, changed resistor over here in the 4-pill section, did a little more balancing in the 4-pill section because it took me a minute to find it. I seen this 4-pill eyeball section over here by itself, and the resistor on it had been high. So I rebalanced it and changed the resistor on it. Then I changed your other resistors and fixed the loose wire. Alright, let's start looking straight through SWR like we always do. Worldwide. Now we're running at maximum voltage, what I call. I try to keep it around 15.5 max. I usually go up to like 15.6 or something. And then when you key, it goes backwards to 5. Alright, here's my input. SWR turned on. Variable wide open. Worldwide. Alright, we're going to look at a 2500 watt scale, PEP. Let's say worldwide, we're 15.3 volts keyed, okay? 2500 watt PEP. Worldwide, donkey Stomper in the corner, getting on down. That tickles me. Alright, on the LP, remember we're running 15.5, what I call maximum voltage. Worldwide, let it calm down a minute. Worldwide, so over the average and average, worldwide, 2800 something like. Worldwide, look at your replay, 0, 1, worldwide, hello, 1, 2, 2x12 bias, just a little 2x12 bias, getting on down. Hello, audio, worldwide, get on down. Look at the bird again, hello, worldwide, hold on. Worldwide. So, 2500 watt peak. You can get your average on here. Hello, audio. 1, 2, get on down. 1000 average, 2800 peak. So, alright, now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to roll this down. I think the guy's running on off the grid. We're going to roll this down to 13.7 volts. Show you what it's doing. So you can kind of see what it does there. 2500 watts load, PEP. Worldwide, 13.4 is what it's geared up. 13.4. Worldwide, 2000. On the LP at 13.4 volts. Worldwide. Get on down. Hello, audio, worldwide. She's right, man. Let's see. We don't have no heat hardly coming out the back. Like I said, guys, make sure you pack your stuff like you want to, what you would do to pack this amp. You bubble wrap this amp completely, okay? And then you want 2 or 3 inches of packing all the way around it, and then in a box. Even put this, like if that box that just come in, if you put that in the first box, and then put peanuts around it and dump it in another box, you've been good. But always box them with 3 inches around them and insure them. I had a guy the other day, he sent me a 16 pill. He didn't have no insurance, and it was slow coming in. He said, man, I think it's lost in the mail. And I looked, I said, if it's lost in the mail, what are you going to do? He said, well, I don't know. I said, well, I can't do nothing about it if it's lost in the mail and you didn't insure it. But just remember, insurance, what your amp's worth, 3 inches all around the packing, and wrap the amp in bubble wrap before you put it in a box. One more time, 13.7, well 13.4 key, 2500 watt. Worldwide, get on down, get on down, get on down, get on down. It's real good in. Alright, but now, all that being said, this is a friend of mine. I like him. Good, honest guy. And I'm going to take care of this and warranty it for him. It ain't his fault the wire come loose. But remember, guys, when you let somebody else work on something, it's over with. When this label's broke, they ain't even nothing to talk about. Alright, folks. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your Freddy and Tim, 018 Boots. I'll catch you later. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.